Welcome to Quick Bytes. This is a quick module on Google Hangouts. This is a tool that I use all the time, almost every day, and I can't wait to show it to you if you haven't already used it. So, how you get there, how I usually get there, is you can select a person in your chat list. Now I have right side chat turned on. If you're interested in that, it is under Labs. You go to Settings, chugga, and then you do Labs over here, and then it has all these things enabled, disable. You can look for stuff, and there's one called right side chat that I have enabled. I sometimes disable it because I get annoyed with it, and then I want it back, so it's one of those. Anyway, I guess I just had the urge to show that to you. But anyway, so my chat's over here. If you want to Google Hangout with someone, you select them and then click this little video camera, although that's not really what video cameras look like. But okay, so you click that. Or today I'm just going to hang out by myself. I do this a lot to try different features. It's going to say add people to this video call. I don't want to. I'm my own best company, so I'm just going to do that. You can see that it's not showing my video. I'm thinking that that surprises me, but you know, nothing keeps you on your toes like technology. I think it's because I'm already using my video down in the corner. So that's my theory. But this is good because the next thing on my list was troubleshooting. So part of what I think is the matter with Google Hangouts is people have low hangouting self-esteem. So that was part of my goal with this video, is to just give people a lot of confidence for if it doesn't work, you can fix it. So, okay. So to troubleshoot this, there's a couple things I would try. First, I'm going to go up into the settings. I'm going to see that integrated webcam is grayed out. That means it's in use by another program. Because I am so smart, I already figured that out. So, but it wouldn't be if you were me or if I were you. So then, but the microphone is working. You can see the little boopity boop 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 as it goes up and down as I blah blah blah. And then the speakers, you can play a test sound. So to make sure that's all working. Okay. So, but as you can see, if this was a real Google Hangout, I would still be participating. My voice would still be blasting out to everyone on the call. It just wouldn't be my head. So, you know, even if you're having issues, you can just do it that way. Okay. This also tells you your microphone is working up here. So that was the settings. It's the little gear right here. Okay. And the other thing I want to show you, this is mute. Kind of obvious, but it's something you use a lot. Google Hangouts tries to get smart, and they auto mute you if they like hear you typing, or if you're coming into the call late, it'll auto mute you. So always check that if your audio is not working. Camera, I don't usually lose my camera, but you could turn your camera off. This is what gets me sometimes, is the bandwidth. So if you're on Wi-Fi, sometimes Hangouts will try to be super smart and downgrade your bandwidth down here, and that just turns off your video. So it's something, I was just in a Hangout the other day and I didn't have any video, and that was why Google thought it was pretty smart. And okay, what's next on my list? I wanted to show you how there's over here. So this turns on the chat, the group chat. That's always a good thing to have on, so that you can do stuff like can't hear you, anybody there. I'm all alone. So, and then you can do screen sharing. I'm going to push that. Oh, it popped up on my other. Drag it over. And you can say all these different options. To tell you the truth, I always just do this full screen, this one right here. Okay, so then that's that. I'm going to cancel that because that's going to screw up my camera even more. And all this other stuff you don't really need to worry about too much. Google Drive. To tell you the truth, the Google Drive allows you to share Google Drive documents. Shocking. What I usually do is put them up on the screen and then screen share. It just is easier to me. I don't know, but you're welcome to do whatever works for you. Okay, so I'm going to close that because I think I covered everything I want to cover. And I'm going to show you the last part of that was this. We frequently asked question we get is, can you do this on a mobile device? So I have an iPhone. I haven't figured out how to do it on here. Doesn't mean you can't do it. It means somebody needs to teach me. When y'all need to teach me, I can't figure it out. So, but on Android now, this is my Nexus 7. Yours may or may not be pink. It does this really easily. I will demonstrate. So, oh, that's not my code. Oh, that's not my code. What happens if my code is wrong 3 times? Okay. So, I'm going to go into Google Plus app on here. And I'm going to go to Google Plus Hangouts. It's one of my menu options. Okay. And I'm going to call myself. If I push the right button. Oh, look. Okay, I hope you could see that. Join video call from Amy Baker. All right. Now, I'm pretty sure the world is going to end, but I'm going to show you. See, I told you that. Okay, we need to hang that up then. But anyway, it worked, which is pretty cool. And it was really easy. Now, one thing that is obvious after you think about it is that it doesn't ring. It's not like, oh, someone wants to hang out with me, bring, hello. It's, you have to be in Google Mail or it shows you as unavailable. You have to be in the Google Plus app or it shows you as unavailable. Oops. Okay. All right, what else was I? Oh, I know, the calendar. So, okay, so we do, I'm just going to make an event. And I'm going to edit the event. And I just wanted to quick show you that this is how you schedule in a video call. And then, so I'm going to do test, save, okay. I go back, click on that, and everybody has this link. Everybody, and then you're not doing the whole, like, I've been in several video calls where we all started our own and we didn't look for the one that was already existing. So, okay. So there's that. And then the last thing I want to show you is a new feature of Google Hangouts, newish. It's called Hangouts on Air. So now this is me. My profile's being reviewed. Does anybody want to guess what you have to do to get reviewed? It wasn't much. All right, Hangouts on Air. Okay, so should I explain what a Hangout is? This is where you're broadcasting. So normal Hangout is limited to 15 people. But if you didn't have 15 people interacting and you just wanted to go broadcast, then you do Hangout on Air. So President Obama has done this. The NASA astronauts have done this from space. It's a pretty cool way to do it. All right. I think we should be using this more. It's this is my, I guess I should have told you the first time I did this, you had to type in your phone number and then get an access code because they're trying to verify that you're not, I don't know, someone without a phone. I don't quite know what they're verifying. So test. Do I really want to do this? I'm already kind of an idiot on air. Well, anyway, you would say start Hangout on Air. You would the reason that you're having to agree to this is because you're going to end up on YouTube when you're done with all this. And then you continue. All right. So, I forgot. I get one last out on this. So it's preparing. Up here you can see it's preparing. This is something I wanted to show you. It's a different icon than you get in regular Hangouts. It's the Q&A one. So it gives you like a group chat. I'm pointing as if you can see. I should use my pointer. It gives you like a group chat for question and answer. There. Okay, so then I say start broadcast, which I'm not going to do because really. And then you would turn on the Q&A, and then what it does is it allows people to type in questions, and then you select which one you're answering, and then it timestamps the video so that people can go back and say, oh, I wanted to hear the answer to that. Click, and it fast forwards to where you answered that. So it's pretty cool. Okay, I'm going to turn that off. But, all right, well, that's all I had for Google Hangouts. Go forth and hang out.